Mapping services in Saket are essential for businesses and individuals alike. One company that stands out in providing top-notch mapping services in Saket is Scon Design Delhi. With their expertise and experience, they offer comprehensive mapping solutions that cater to the diverse needs of their clients. Whether it's for urban planning, transportation, or real estate development, Scon Design Delhi has the knowledge and tools to create accurate and detailed maps. Saket, being a bustling commercial and residential area in Delhi, requires accurate mapping services to ensure efficient navigation and planning. Scon Design Delhi understands the importance of precise mapping in Saket and the impact it has on businesses and individuals. Their team of skilled professionals combines advanced technology with their expertise to deliver high-quality maps that meet the specific requirements of their clients. One of the key aspects of mapping services in Saket is the ability to depict the area's infrastructure accurately. Scon Design Delhi excels in this aspect by using advanced techniques such as GIS, Geographic Information System, to capture and analyze spatial data. This enables them to create maps that not only showcase the physical features of the area but also provide valuable insights into its infrastructure, road networks, and utilities. In addition to infrastructure mapping, Scon Design Delhi also offers specialized services such as thematic mapping. This involves creating maps that focus on specific themes or topics, such as land use, demographics, or environmental factors. Thematic mapping is particularly useful for businesses and organizations that require detailed information for decision-making or research purposes. With Scon Design Delhi's expertise in thematic mapping, clients in Saket can gain a deeper understanding of the area's characteristics and make informed decisions based on reliable data. Another important aspect of mapping services in Saket is the ability to keep up with the ever-changing landscape. Scon Design Delhi recognizes this need and ensures that their maps are regularly updated to reflect any changes in the area. Whether it's new roads, buildings, or zoning regulations, their team stays up to date with the latest developments to provide accurate and current maps to their clients. Overall, mapping services in Saket play a crucial role in various industries and sectors. Scon Design Delhi is a leading provider of these services, offering comprehensive and accurate maps that cater to the specific needs of their clients. With their expertise in infrastructure mapping, thematic mapping, and regular updates, businesses and individuals in Saket can rely on Scon Design Delhi for all their mapping needs. Saket, a posh residential and commercial neighborhood in South Delhi, has seen a surge in demand for mapping services in recent years. With its well-planned layout and numerous landmarks, Saket has become a hub for businesses and individuals looking to optimize their operations through accurate mapping services. One company that stands out in providing top-notch mapping services in Saket is Scon Design Delhi. Scon Design Delhi is a renowned firm that specializes in offering mapping services to clients in Saket and beyond. With their expertise in cartography, GIS analysis, and satellite imagery, Scon Design Delhi has established itself as a reliable and trusted provider of mapping services. Their team of skilled professionals utilizes the latest technology and tools to create detailed and accurate maps that cater to the specific needs of their clients. Whether it's for urban planning, real estate development,